Hi, on that video I'll show you how to erase the user data from the Masimo RAD8 machine. So first, turn on the machine. Okay, as soon as you get to that menu, you're gonna hold enter and the up arrow for 3 to 5 seconds. Good. Next step, you hit enter 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up arrow 1 time, it changes to yes, and you hit enter 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you get back to the main menu. So next step, you're gonna hold enter for 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and up arrow 1 time, that will change to user, and you hit enter again, and you get back to the main menu and the work's done. So you just have to close the machine and it is ready to use. Thank you.